Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, the dollar CAD is pushing up very hard. I've been saying for the last couple of days that probably the 50% is going to be the next area of resistance. This is all higher lows the whole way up. It never really broke structure to the downside, so it's all one move in my eyes, which is still looking to me like possibly like a wave A or maybe a wave 1. Either way, the market is definitely telling us to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I say this a lot, but the strategy right now is to either already be long, waiting for a break to the downside to exit, or the strategy is to be patiently waiting for pullbacks to go long again, or possibly going down to a much shorter time frame and getting in on pullbacks. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now on the 1 hour time frame. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short based on the daily. So if I wanted to trade the 1 hour range, I would have to patiently be waiting for a pullback in order to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.